On behalf of Expert Village, my name's Tom Rowland, and we're at Cottonwood Motorsports, and I'm here to tell you about doing a service on a Polaris quad, and this is fairly representative of many of them. This is the expansion tank for the coolant. It's right by the filler dipstick for the oil tank, and it's marked max, which is your high level, and minimum, which is your low level. In theory, it should be somewhere between these two lines. Minimum would generally be cold, maximum would generally be high. Anywhere in here is usually not an issue. The cap is, you can take this cap off when the motor's hot. This cap is vented to the atmosphere. It has a hole in the top of it, and that hole is supposed to be open. And there's also a rubber washer that helps to seal it. And then there's another little green piece here that is to keep the water. It acts as a check to keep the water from being able to splash out this hole. It'll get into here, kind of collect, and then it'll fall back out the hole rather than just kind of ooze out the top due to pressure or whatever. So as long as the tank's not over full, this all functions the way it's supposed to.